Hello everyone, welcome to this Madness Code channel. I believe you have seen my last video, the part one for that UiPath certificate advanced RPA developer preparation. So in this video, it's a part two. Again, I have a 10 set of questions. We are going to see, we are going to study by using that questions and find out the answers for the questions by using the UiPath document, right? Let's move on to the first questions. Okay, the first question is the developer generated a static selector by selecting indicate on screen inside a click activity. Okay, so the question would be developer needs to view the full list of attributes. Actually, they have recorded one activity by using indicate on screen, but they want to know the full list of attributes. Okay, first for that we can go to this UiPath UI Explorer. So what are the answer we have? Output panel, indicate on screen button, outline panel, and UI Explorer tool. So I believe the answer is going to be UI Explorer tool because they want to know the full list of attributes. So these kind of information will be available only on the Explorer level. We'll see what are other questions they might ask. Okay, this is the definition I have given. The UI Explorer is an advanced tool that enables to create a custom selector for a specific UI element. It is available as standalone. Okay, also it's a standalone tool. We need these UiPath automation activities package is required to use this UI Explorer. So this is things we need to learn. And to open UI Explorer, we have to use this icon. That is the one thing. Okay, if we don't have these activities, this is very important. Then this UI Explorer doesn't appear in the ribbon. So these activities is very important in order to use this UI Explorer. Also, what are other questions? So if you see here, when using UI Explorer, we are getting the complete view. So I think in this way, I'll share this link in the comment section. So I believe the answer would be UI Explorer tool. Okay, let me know if is it correct. If it is wrong, you can update the correct answer. Now we studied about the UI Explorer tool. It's mainly used to find out the full attributes about whatever we have recorded. Move on to second questions. Developer successfully published the package from studio, to orchestrator. Okay, the developer don't make any changes. Okay, here you have to notice that they didn't make any changes and publish the package successfully. So questions, what happens in orchestrator? The package will generate an alert, no changes were made. No, I think this is not possible. New version of project center release notes again publication of So now we are the UiPath automation document packages. The packages open in the orchestra displays all the projects published in the UiPath Studio. Okay, that is we call it as packages. That is correct. Packages feeds. We have a multiple feeds, like package feed, tenant feed, folder field. And then what is important? The package version. So package version is configured in Studio when published package in the custom location. The package version can be following two status. Okay, active, currently deployed to the process the model folder. As the process the model only this can be deleted. Okay, we have two status in the package version, active and inactive. This also we need to highlight. Package Explorer. Okay, the current answer would be, here I assume that the new version of the project is sent to the organizer as active version. Whenever if you are releasing some new package, the studio will always release a new version. With respect of whether it's change or not, I'll always release a new version. So for me, I believe this is going to be the correct answer. So move on to the next one. So developer wants to retrieve all UI elements from a form that is based on filter criteria, which activity should developer use. Okay, you have to notice that the UN elements from your form. This is important. So there are prompts to retrieve all the UI elements from your form that is based on filter conditions. So uh, completely, I believe the setup clip region it won't come. Mouse trigger also won't come. Only we have two options: find children and find element. So since it's in a form, I believe it's going to be find children. So let me know the correct answer. I believe this is the correct answer for this question. And we'll move on to the next one. Which element must exist for each dictionary object? Okay, so let's move on, go to the site, and then we'll find out the answer for this. So here, I opened some site for this. I'm a boss decision of dictionary with examples. So here they have mentioned dictionary is a generic collection which is generally used to key value pair. So which means our the answer is going to be key and value. It's not a key value is the correct answer for this question. And we move on to the next question. What is the characteristic of architecture assist? Okay, I think here we have a multiple characteristics. For example, all values for any asset type are encrypted. On any asset types are encrypted. Asset can hold the entire variables. Asset can be changed after the creation of asset. That is true. Asset value can be defined for each user. No, that is going to be asset going to be common for all the user, not for each user. All values from any asset types are encrypted. So only two things we can notice here. First one and then third one. Let's go to that site and then we'll explore that. Okay. Um, so this is the asset. So assets usually represent shared variables. Credentials can be used in different automation projects. Additionally, extra level of security is provided. So all asset type credentials stored here is encrypted. Okay. Here you have note down all asset type credentials are only encrypted. So I found the answer for this question. So here, all values are asset is not encrypted. Only credential types are encrypted. So which means third one is the correct answer. Yeah. Also, we have to study something else from this. So asset types have four types of assets normally. They call it as text, bool, integer, and credential. So you have to remember these types. Asset type, they might ask in a different way of these questions. Text, boolean, integer, and credential. These are the four different types of assets. Also make sure that the credential has been encrypted in AES 256 algorithm. This point also we need to note down. And what else we can learn from this document? Okay, the global account, maybe they can ask questions about this global usage. All accounts receive the asset value unless the specific value is assigned to on per account basis. All accounts receive the asset value unless the specific value is assigned on account basis. This is also important. For global value, this is so I have per account. So in order to assign a global value, we need to assign one account to save this global value. So let's move on to the next questions. I think it's clear. What is the future of native screen scrapping method? Okay. Um, to be honest, I don't have any idea about this. Let's go through the documents and then we'll find out. So here I have opened the screen scrapping methods. I think this is the one table they have given. I think this is very, very important. You can just see the table. Normally, what they are saying is there are three types of capability when it comes to screen scrapping: full text, native, OCR. So full text speed is so accuracy is also fast, speed also very fast. For full text, the background execution is available. Okay. So full text is the default method. Okay, this is something needed. Um, it is fast and accurate, unlike native method. Correct. It cannot extract the screen coordinates of the text. Okay, this full text, the screen coordinates won't work. That is one point we note out. Both these methods work in desktop application. Okay, but native method only works for apps. Okay, full text and OCR will work on the net desktop application, but native works only on that GDI interface. I mean GDI interface. Okay, OCR is not 100% accurate, but can be usable to extract two methods. Okay, if you can't extract by using this full text or native, then we need to go for OCR. Also, they have mentioned that work application including citrix. Okay, so only OCR supports citrix method. Okay, now what is the question? Now we have what is the future of native screen scraping method? Okay, now you see there are three types. I mean, full text native. Now, what they're asking, native screen scrape method they're asking. What are the answers we have? Runs in background, support virtual desktop environment, extract the test position, extract hidden test. Okay, we'll see what runs in background. First, take that one. Runs in background. They mention as no. Okay, so extract test position, that is yes. So the correct answer would be extract test position. Native would support extract test position, and it won't support the background execution. So which means it won't support a background execution, support test, exact test position. This is the correct answer. Also, we'll see whether there's mentioned something about the hidden text and the desktop environment. Hidden text also they mentioned as no. So which means it's clear. This is the correct answer. Also, desktop application also. Um, Both this method work only with desktop application. But native method, okay, native won't support desktop. That's also very clear. Native won't support desktop. Others to support desktop application. Okay, now we have learned multiple things from this document. One thing is full text is a default one. Native is support GDA interface, only GDF interface. This full text and OCR will support desktop application. And what else? It's unique. OCR is Citrix, support Citrix. I have mentioned here application, and the hidden test. Only full text work on a hidden test. So these are the points that we have learned from this video, and then we'll move on to the next questions. Which dependencies are automatically installed when developer starts a blank process in UiPath Studio? Okay, to be honest, I don't have any idea, but I have opened UiPath Studio now, then we can learn. So what they have mentioned is UiPath mail activities and Path Excel is the default. It's getting loaded. I'll show you. So if you see here, these are all the active, dependency apps. By default, it's getting loaded. Excel, mail, system activities, testing activities, automation activities. System, testing, automation, mail, and Excel. 5 activities were loaded by default. So this is the right answer now. Okay. Move on to the next questions. Which data type is store data extracted from Excel using read range activity? So read range activity. So this is the keyword. So read range in the means helps from starting range to ending range. It means a table. It's going to be a table. It's not a single data. Obviously, in those in those cases, the data type would be data table. Okay. And I think now, yeah, we know. It's data table. In case if it is wrong, if there is some other, just let me know. Update your answers in the comment section, and we'll move on to the next one. Which data type stores selector property of an activity accept? Okay, this is the keyword accept. We need to see. So they are asking with what data type does the selector property of an activity accept? So these are all the options we have. System.sting, UiPath core.selector. Okay. So the answer could be system.sting. This is what I have learned. In case if it is wrong, but this is completely random. I have chosen randomly because I have no idea about that, but I'll go and I'll read about this. In case if you have any idea about this, you can share this link because when I searched, I don't find the exact link or answer for this question. But I assume the answer is going to be system.sting. So let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you can learn something from this session in order to grow your career in the UiPath Advanced Certified certification. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more UiPath content. Also, don't forget to hit that notification. Best of luck on your UiPath certification exam. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.